As you may notice, I'm pretty much only turning left. This is because I forgot to center the aileron linkage before the flight, so the aircraft has much more left aileron deflection than right deflection.
And the battery's out.
You'll notice I'm still pretty much only turning left. This time I don't really have an excuse. I guess I just like turning left? Now, the more astute of you may notice that the battery is not affixed to the aircraft by any other means than simply the battery connector.
Supposed to be, yep.
See? He noticed.
Yeah, well it does, and I want that. I want it as far out as I can. To make sure it's flying a nice high angle of attack and it stays slow. See? See how it maintains that angle of attack?
Yeah, that's neat.
Yeah. That's also why it's got
a little battery effect or something like that.
Yeah. That's also why it's got that long tail boom and that big stabilizer.
Yeah, right.
To make sure that there's nice lot of lift to keep that angle of attack going.
Very cool.
It's also got 8 degrees of down thrust, believe it or not.
So what I'm saying there, if you couldn't make it out, is simply that the battery hanging off the plane keeps the CG nice and far back, which makes sure the aircraft maintains a nice high angle of attack. This makes sure the lift coefficient is very high to maximize the slowness of the flight. Other factors which contribute to this high angle of attack are the large stabilizer, long tail boom, and high angle of down thrust.